Well, hey y'all, it's Debbie, your girl with pearls, and today I'm headed to Trader Joe's hunting for some pumpkin yummies. I hope you'll join me. And if you stick around to the end of the video, I'm going to show you how I used all these ingredients to make some of these delicious treats. It's that season, y'all. Pumpkin spice season. Oh my goodness, I love everything pumpkin, especially pumpkin spice. I just love fall. Our family's favorite thing the minute the weather starts to turn is to make homemade pumpkin bread with maple cream cheese frosting. Oh my goodness, every fall, that's the first thing we have to take a crack at. My son absolutely adores pumpkin bread. Now, I don't know about you, but I love to throw a few chocolate chips in mine. Anyway, I'm headed to Trader Joe's for some pumpkin fun. Join me. And it is pumpkin palooza in here. Everywhere you look, there is pumpkin something. So I am so excited. My senses are heightened. I can't even wait. I'm pushing my buggy up and down the aisles, looking and hunting for some deliciousness. And I've got to get the pumpkin biscotti for my husband. He loves biscotti with his coffee. And they've got all kinds of cute cookies. And I'm going to pick up some of this sipping hot cocoa. Be using this now into Christmas. Look at the cute little haunted houses you can make. Ooh, and I've got to pick up some pumpkin spice coffee. Ooh, and they even have it for the Keurig. And I'm grabbing a box of this tea, Harvest Blend Herbal Tea. And I'm going to grab a box of this organic instant hot cocoa mix. Look at, they even have pumpkin-O's. And pumpkin bread. I make my own, but you know what? It's not bad to have a box on hand just if unexpected company comes. And look at these cute spice cookies shaped like pumpkins. And some pumpkin butter. And they're putting out Thanksgiving cranberry sauce, stuffing mix, turkey gravy. Here in the South, you've got to have cornbread stuffing mix. And y'all, they even have it in gluten-free. That's a win. And look at this. More cookies. Shortbread cookies with pumpkin spice. Oh my goodness, look at these maple leaf cookies with maple cream filling. You've got to try those. I love maple. I actually picked up maple coffee while I was here too. Look, they even have Halloween cookies. Shaped like little ghosts. How cute. Pumpkin pancake mix. I am definitely picking up this. They do have a gluten-free version as well. Oh, I just love pumpkin pancakes. And I'm going to get some of the candied pecans and maple syrup because, y'all, that is one of my favorite brunches on a Sunday. Like I said, pumpkin palooza. Look at these cookies. Maple pecan, two things I absolutely adore. And look at the spices. I'm going to pick up some pumpkin pie spice for baking and to sprinkle in my coffee, and some ground cinnamon and some cloves for baking. So here's some of the haul. Y'all, this autumn maple coffee is to die for. And I'm going to serve that with my pumpkin muffins. You know, I have to tell you, these were gluten-free. I put some chocolate chips in them and some pecans on the top, and they were delicious. I set my table for our Sunday brunch, and I'm going to serve those pumpkin pancakes. They're gluten-free, and y'all, they were absolutely delicious. And as I said, I sprinkled the candied pecans on them and some maple syrup. And I made the pumpkin spice coffee to go with those. And I did get the two different kinds of fall tea, pumpkin tea and autumn spice. Oh, just fabulous. And this is perfect for a late night snack. That's delicious. What a way to settle in for the evening and watch a Hallmark movie. I hope you're having a wonderful evening. And I hope you'll stay tuned for my upcoming Thanksgiving series where I'm going to do DIYs, a tablescape, my menu I'm going to share, my organizing tips, and some of my prepping. So make sure if you're not a subscriber that you hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of my upcoming Thanksgiving and Christmas videos. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. And if you would like to share this with your friends and family, all you have to do is hit that little share button. I hope you have a pumpkin spice and everything nice kind of day. Thanks so much for joining me, and I hope to see you again soon. Take care. God bless.